Hello, Jennifer here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota 4Runner Off-Road with a sweet customization from our in-house parts department. This unit comes fully equipped with a Revtek 3-inch level kit, BFGoodrich TA KO2 all-terrain tires, and is ready to take on the road less traveled with 3M coating on both your hood and fenders. Stand out from the crowd with your genuine TRD parts like your heritage grille and 17-inch black alloy wheels, and of course there'll be nothing holding you back from living your best adventure with upgraded multi-terrain select, kinetic dynamic suspension, and automatic disconnecting differential so you can enjoy everything that Alberta has to offer. With sweet convenience features like your navigation, heated leather seats, and stylish lever type 4-wheel drive selector, the road ahead with your custom 4Runner is nothing but a bright and exciting one. Come on in and take it for a test drive, or speak to our parts department about how you can customize your vehicle here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.